If you worry, you're actually praying for what you don't want to have happen. And if you're in fear, you're actually lowering your immune system, which makes it easier for you to get ill. So what do? You focus on something positive. This is not a new predicament. We've had viruses before. We've had plagues before. I just today picked up a copy of Letters from a Stoic, Seneca's famous book. And I opened it up at random. And there was this passage. There are two things then, the recollection of trouble in the past as well as the fear of troubles to come, that I have to root out. The first is no longer of any concern to me, and the second has yet to be so. And when a man is in the grip of difficulties, he should say, there may be pleasure in the memory of even these events one day. Don't be afraid. This too will pass. Do something positive, make use of your time, love people from afar, and expect miracles.